Buying Bitcoin on MoonPay is simple and quick. Follow these steps. Create a MoonPay account. Download the MoonPay app or visit the official website. Sign up with your email address, verify it, and complete the required Know Your Customer process by submitting a government-issued ID and other necessary details. Link a payment method. Add a debit or credit card or bank account for payments. Ensure your payment method is active and supports online transactions. Select Bitcoin. On the MoonPay dashboard, select Bitcoin from the list of supported cryptocurrencies. Enter purchase details. Specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy in your preferred fiat currency. Enter the wallet address where you want the Bitcoin sent. Use a BTC-compatible wallet such as Exodus, Trust Wallet or Coinbase. Review transaction details. MoonPay will display the Bitcoin amount, exchange rate, transaction fees, and total cost. Double-check your wallet address for accuracy. Confirm and pay. Confirm the transaction and follow the payment prompts. Once processed, the Bitcoin will be sent to your wallet.